Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. I just sold all my Shiba Inu coins, and here is why. Shiba Inu news today. The hype over Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, has obscured another big development for the Dogecoin competitor, the launch of 2 new ecosystem tokens. A rewards-based token called Treat is one upcoming addition to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, according to lead developer Satoshi Kusama. In this video, we will talk about how I just sold all my Shib coins, and here is why Shib is in the news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu, price predictions, and expert analysis. Let's start the video now without further ado. The Shiba Inu team opted to construct Treat when the community agreed to make Bone Shiba Exchange a major component of Shibarium. Recently, the community voted to reserve a certain amount of Bone for the creation of validators and other Shibarium procedures, leaving the question of what will be offered as incentives for the rest of the community. For this, we have a Treat. Treat will not only accomplish this goal, but it will also generate benefits for the blockchain and metaverse versions of the Shiba collectible card game. This is a huge step in the final landing of this massive project toward full decentralization. The second official Shiba Inu ecosystem altcoin in the works is a stablecoin called Shib. According to Kusama, the team is concentrated on avoiding problems that have bedeviled other stablecoins, including the spectacular failure of Terra Luna's Terra USD. After seeing other stable tokens crash and billions of dollars completely disappear from the market, it goes without saying that she is worried. So as for Shib, we've seen independent development from a group of developers in our decentralized network. They've submitted a version of Shib that seems to avoid the issues found in other moonshots while allowing Shib to be used to counter and balance payments that need to be done without market fluctuations. As with everything decentralized that Shib does, this protocol will be experimental. As the token is finalized, more complex and in-depth information will be made available. Both projects are set to launch this year, although exact dates have not been released. The current list of official tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is Shiba Inu itself, Bone Shibaswap, which will be used to pay gas fees on the scalable Shibarium network, and Leash, the enigmatic token, whose official use case is changing and cloaked in secret. The ERC20 token, due to its high growth potential, Shiba Inu continues to be one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies on the market among retail investors. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to grow, investors are looking for techniques to estimate the potential price of assets such as Shib. One way that has been utilized among others is AI, where models rely on many data sources, including historical prices, trading volumes, market capitalization, social media sentiment, and news items. Machine learning algorithms are used by AI models to analyze huge data sets and find patterns that can be used to forecast future trends. Feingold has gathered forecasts provided by Coindex's machine learning technology to anticipate the Shib price for the end of 2023. According to data retrieved on February 24, Shiba Inu is predicted to trade at $0.008451 on December 31, 2023. Notably, the prediction represents a minus 34% decrease from the $0.0013 at the time of publication. The meme token had been traded. It's crucial to remember that these forecasts could change depending on the state of the market and other unforeseen circumstances. By press time, Shib was trading at $0.1303, recording daily losses of about 1.12%. On the weekly chart, Shiba Inu is down almost 1%. Elsewhere, the one-day gauges on trading views for Shib are mixed. The summary is for neutral at 9, which results from oscillators pointing at neutral at 8, while moving averages are for buy at 9. The general adoption of cryptocurrencies is one potential factor that might have an effect on the price of Shib in the future. As more people become interested in cryptography and begin to invest, the demand for Shib could increase, leading to higher prices. Furthermore, any significant advancements or partnerships involving Shib may raise its value. For instance, the Layer 2 scaling solution known as Shibarium is anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. Although no release date has been confirmed, Shibarium is among the most anticipated events due to the improvements it will bring to the network. The ecosystem is anticipated to benefit from the upgrade by having faster and less expensive transactions. Moreover, it will function alongside Ethereum to execute transactions on the Shibarium ecosystem, reducing the overall load. Door.io, a well-established cryptocurrency exchange, recently announced that it would offer support to Bone Shiba Switch with the trading pair Bone via an official blog post with over 12 million registered users. Shiba Inu's trading page on the site was updated on Thursday with a countdown until the altcoin's launch. Shib claimed in a tweet on Friday that the Bone is now being advertised on Gate.io. Investor interest was also sparked by the listing announcement. Woof at Gate_io to commence the Bone Shiba swap. Bone trading will begin at 4 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated on February 24, 2023. As the introduction of the much-awaited Shibarium beta comes near, more and more exchanges and crypto platforms are taking notice of the Shiba switch. To name a few, there are Ruby, Pay, XCOM, CoinMerge, CoinRabbit, and Bigit. Following its breach of the $2 barrier, Bone was trading at a high of $1.97. It has risen 45% in the last 30 days and surged nearly 5% in the last 24 hours. While Elon Musk's preferred meme, crypto Dogecoin, was down 1.64%, trading at $0.84, this memecoin indicates strong investor interest and demand with a one-day trading volume of $16.3 million. Shiba Inu was trading at $0.1309, down 2.6%, and Floki's rally experienced a 4.41% decline to reach its current price of 50 cents. The official PlayStation account on Twitter shared a new trailer for an upcoming puzzle game titled Humanity Shiba Inu, which was mentioned yesterday. It would be insanely big news for the Shib army if the video game industry giant did in fact make a reference to the cryptocurrency Shib. Unfortunately, a closer look reveals that reality does not appear to be as it seems. While the PlayStation Twitter account wrote that users could play as Shiba Inu, there seems to be no affiliation with Shib. Play as a Shiba Inu and lead crowds through challenges, gain new abilities, engage in enormous fights, and create your own stages. Support for PSVR 2. The upcoming puzzler Humanity just got even more intriguing. The tweet says Shiba Inu most likely only refers to the dog breed that will be a character in the forthcoming video game, according to what is seen in the trailer. The website for the game also offers some context on this. People have forgotten their sense of direction while stranded at the end of the earth. You come as a Shiba Inu and participate in a number of trials with the group. Attempting to direct them into pillars of light suitably, a Shiba Inu can be seen moving among crowds of people wearing bright attire in the opening sequence of the new video. Thus, even though Shiba Inu, the dog breed, will be the starring character in the game, it cannot be ruled out that PlayStation is planning to launch a Shib-themed game. Surprisingly, the Shib army has been enthused by PlayStation's mention of the Shiba Inu. Satoshi Kazuma, the chief developer of the cryptocurrency, and several other Shib supporters have been tagged. However, the fact that the rumor, which was partially spread in the Shib community, is far-fetched and has little credibility